Want to like a game on Roblox Mobile but not sure how? It's super easy, and I'll show you exactly what to do. First, open the Roblox app on your mobile device. Once you're in, you'll see the main homepage where you can browse and search for games. Now find the game you want to like. You can search for it using the search bar or choose one from your recently played or recommended games. Once you've selected the game, tap on its title to open its full game page. Here, you'll see details like the game description, number of players, and ratings. To like the game, look for the thumbs up and thumbs down icons. The thumbs up button represents a like, and tapping it will highlight it in blue, or another color, depending on your theme. This confirms that you've successfully liked the game. Liking a game helps support your favorite developers and makes it easier for others to discover great games. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button and subscribe for more Roblox tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.